In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an inbox in Evernote. Imagine Evernote as your digital notebook, perfect for gathering all those snippets of information, ideas, and tasks that play a crucial part in your daily life. Now, setting up an inbox in Evernote will help you organize your notes efficiently, making sure nothing important gets lost in the shuffle. So, let's jump right into this process together. Start by opening the Evernote application on your desktop. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that using your credentials. Once inside, take a look to the left, where you'll see the sidebar. This is your central command, displaying all your notebooks and notes. Focus your attention on the section labeled Notebooks. This is where all your organized thoughts will reside. Right-click on Notebooks in the sidebar. This action will reveal a small menu with several options. Click on New Notebook to begin creating your inbox. It's important to name your new notebook something that immediately signals its purpose. Consider naming it Inbox or @Inbox. The reason we use the exclamation mark or symbol at the beginning of the name is strategic. It bumps your inbox to the very top of your notebook list. This little tip acts as a powerful visual shortcut, ensuring your inbox is always front and center when you open Evernote. After you've entered the name, hit Create, and there you have it, a dedicated space for capturing anything you need to remember or act upon. Remember, this inbox notebook is designed to be a starting point for all your ideas and information. You can drop everything here initially without worrying about sorting it out right away. Later, when you have time, you can go through your inbox and organize things into more specific notebooks. By setting it up this way, you're streamlining your workflow. You're not just adding another notebook to your collection, but you're creating a command center where all your crucial information initially lands. Over time, you can develop a routine of checking this inbox regularly, perhaps each morning or at the start of your work session, to process these notes. Decide what to do with each: delete, delegate, or move them to another relevant notebook. Hopefully, this method will keep your thoughts organized and readily accessible, allowing you to tackle tasks efficiently and stay on top of your priorities. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on optimizing your digital workspace with Evernote. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.